model, 1991 Ford Fiesta Xr2I Max power modified, needs welding donor, still runs No Vat. Body, white, hatchback. Mileage, 92,196. Engine, 1597 cc/F0BOINAAPBB. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Alternator needs replacing. Body is rotten, this will be good for parts or reshell it, do whatever you want. Engine and gearbox still run fine, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear